folks, it's Rob here, and today we've got another unboxing. I've got Mark helping me on the camera as usual.
Hi guys.
And today I've got an Absima, what's it called? AB3.4 4-wheel drive buggy.
Not a Tamiya, Rob.
No, not a Tamiya.
You're as bad as me.
I know. But like you say, because of the current situation, mate, you just can't find anything.
Absolutely, I'm in the same boat.
Everything that you know, I can find for sale, I've either got.
You've already got it, yeah.
Yeah. Or you've got it.
Or I've got it. Or we don't want it.
We don't want it. Yeah.
So yeah.
So I had a look and I saw this, and it's really cheap, and it's a kit.
Well, like the fact that it's cheap, that sounds good.
Yeah. The problem is it doesn't come with a motor.
Right.
But then generally we change them anyway. And the other thing is though, you can get the ready to run version of this for just about 30 odd quid more.
What you mean with the controller?
With controller, motor, battery, charger.
What? So how much is cheap then? You said it was cheap, Rob.
70 quid.
Oh, now that's a bargain, isn't it?
Yeah, and you know, unlike Tamiya's, you get ball bearings for the diff, as you'll see, and turnbuckles and some other metal bits, and we'll...
Don't say all shocks, no way.
Oil shocks, yeah.
For 70 quid?
Yeah.
Let's get this box home, Rob.
Yeah, well, it'll be a difference, so I don't think we'll do a cut, because as you'll see when I open the box, we won't be going through undoing all the plastic bags.
Okay.
So let's get cracking, dude.
Sounds good.
And the good stroke bad thing is the body's already cut out, painted.
I suppose at the moment that's not too bad, especially in the middle of winter.
Yeah, and especially with hardly getting any paint as well. So yeah, I mean, what I don't like is they've stuck some of the stickers on.
Oh right, yeah.
And haven't done a very good job in my opinion.
Let's have a look. Oh yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah. But hey, it is what it is.
Yeah.
Now, I do like the spoiler.
That's sweet. Looks tougher than
the polycarbonate
Lexan type ones, yeah.
Yeah. So I do like that. We've then got the manual, which looks quite thick.
Manual, yeah.
The manual, yeah. However, over half of it is just information about the electronics that you don't get.
You don't get, so right.
And then...
What's the build bit like? That's what we're interested in.
The build bit is not as good as Tamiya, if I'm honest.
Well, it's never going to be, is it?
As you'll see from these reference numbers, this is why I'm not taking them out the bags. Is because these reference numbers are stuck on each bag. There's some more stickers here as well, just to get that out of the way.
Lots of Absima ones.
Yeah, and then these are the bags that you get.
Oh, it's with the numbers on.
Yeah. So it goes through, and not much in the way of instructions, and they're photos which aren't that good. You can hardly see that diff there, can you?
My Charisma one was exactly the same.
Yeah.
Exactly the same.
But as you can see, we've got proper turnbuckles.
Yeah, that's cool.
And weirdly, according to this, you've got two different part numbers depending on whether you buy the brushed motor version or the brushless motor version.
Right.
Two different shocks.
Oh, that's strange, isn't it?
This kit comes with the brushed, but I don't know what the difference is.
But they are oil filled, aren't they?
They are oil filled and they're already made up.
Oh right.
So we'll show you that. So
cool.
This is the rest of the kit. As you can see, everything's already been cut. I mean, you know, this is why I'm not taking them out, the bags.
Yeah, so you haven't got to put the turnbuckles together even, have you?
No.
Right.
And there's some real, you know, like a whole bag just for 4 spaces, shall we say.
It's a lot of bags.
Yeah, so I'm not even going to get it all out. The wheels are already made up. By the feel of these, they've got foam inside them, and I think they're already glued as well.
That's cool. Nice pin spikes, aren't they?
Yeah, however, I have got some things out. One thing I didn't realise, I thought it came with ball bearings throughout. However, since opening the thing and having a look,
yeah, there's some bushes there.
yeah, and these are for the wheels.
Oh, right.
And I think these are the outer ones for the wheels, and they are inner ones, or vice versa, I don't know, but
right.
I'm fairly sure they're for the wheels. So I got some ball bearings to swap them out.
Did you just buy that as a kit, Rob, for it?
That was a kind of a set, yeah.
Right.
From Blacksmiths.
Oh, BSP.
Yeah.
Blacksmith products, yeah.
Products, that's the word, yeah.
Is that steel?
Yes, that's a steel spur gear.
Wow.
And I believe a steel pinion gear.
We got there.
And then, weirdly, you get another pinion gear as well.
I'll tell you what though, it's not bad for the money,
No.
is it? I mean, them shocks look quite decent. Let's have a look at them.
Yeah. Now these shocks.
It's quite a length, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that what, 110 mil or something like that?
It's something like that, isn't it?
That looks quite beefy.
Have I got 110 mil on here? Oh yeah, just about.
Is it an alloy shock, Rob, or is it plastic?
It's
I can't really tell.
plastic. Yes, about 100 mil.
Right. So that's similar to a Tamiya buggy shock length, isn't it?
It is. We've got, that's anodised aluminium cap,
Right.
but if we take this off, there's no bottom cap.
Well, that's strange.
Yeah. So how they seal it, I don't know, without taking one apart. Which I might do, because I don't know, I might put some thicker oil in it anyway. Because
I'd give it a run first,
yeah,
Rob. See
well,
how it goes.
definitely give it a run first, and it's got the dual rate springs,
yeah.
which is quite
Which
good.
is all pretty cool, isn't it? I
Yeah.
like this.
And there's some pre-tensioners as well in one of the other bags. I think it's in fact in there, look,
Right.
for some reason. And the other kind of disappointing thing is the diffs are already made up, and these do have ball bearings, you can see them.
Oh yeah.
However, the weird thing is there's only one screw.
Holding the whole case together.
Well, at the minute,
Right.
I think the shock tower goes in there, and then you screw it all together.
Clamps together then, right.
Which is good, because I'm intending to take this apart anyway, just to check.
Yeah. Check the
there's,
grease and stuff.
Decent grease, and check the diffs out themselves, because there's a bit of friction. That's the word. Thank you, sir.
And is that a metal mount as well on there?
Yes,
I
that's
see
an
more
aluminium
oh, yeah.
motor mount, and you can't really see, but
Oh,
I
is that-
believe there's
A metal drive
yeah,
output as well. Wow.
yeah,
Wow.
with a big grub screw
I'm impressed.
to hold it together, and I believe there's a ball bearing in the motor mount.
Right.
So
Yeah.
it's quite good stuff.
It's not bad at all, is it?
No, and you get a motor heat sink
Yeah.
as standard with it.
70 quid.
Yeah, as I say,
Gosh.
the turnbuckles.
They're quite beefy as well, aren't they?
They are, yeah. And steering stuff, again they've got bushings, but that seems to be a weird size, so I haven't found any bull races to change them yet, but
Yeah, it's not so bad in the steering though, is it?
no,
Rob?
because it's not spinning.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's basically about it. Like I say, I'm not going to go through all of this. There's just bag after bag after bag, and then there's loads of bags with screws in, so we'll just wait and see. There we go, last bit. Just fairly stiff.
See if you can get round the light, Rob. Cool.
Sort of semi-bathtub chassis.
Yeah.
So, there we go. That's about it.
And have you decided what motor you're going to fit in it, Rob?
Oh, thank you for reminding me that, sir. Yes, I managed to find also from the same supplier.
Are we allowed to say who you bought it from, Rob?
I got this from Model Sport in the UK.
Oh, I've used Model Sport before.
Yeah. And because I bought the motor from them, because they've got some of these motors in stock, I got free delivery.
Ooh, even better.
And this is a Speed Passion, is it? 10.5 turn censored brushless motor.
Ooh, that should go.
With what I discovered, because this is another annoying thing for me. It's come with no documentation at all.
Right.
Nothing.
Just a box.
Yeah. And these three connectors sticking out that I didn't know until I watched a video on YouTube.
Good old YouTube.
They pulled off. So they push in when you've soldered your...
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Don't have to buy any bullets.
No. So that's that, and I'm hopefully going to pair that up with a Hobby King 120 amp censored brushless ESC.
This thing's going to fly, isn't it, Rob?
Hope so.
I would imagine.
Yeah. Yeah, I must admit I was going to try and get a 13.5 turn motor.
Yeah, we normally use those, don't we?
But they hadn't got any.
Like everything else, you can't get
No.
anything, can you?
No.
Especially in the UK. I don't know what it's like in the rest of the world.
That's
But
it.
we are struggling, aren't we?
We are, yes. And then just a fairly cheap, I think, Turnbuckles TGY AN13 servo that I just happen to have.
I think that should be fine, mate, in a
Yeah.
buggy. Shouldn't be too stressed on the servo side, I don't think.
No, there is servo saver that doesn't look anything like Tamiya ones, but I'm not hunting through the bags to try and find it. No, can't see it there. So you'll have to wait. Oh, there it is. This apparently is the servo saver, and there's a spring inside there. Once you tighten it up.
Strange.
Yeah.
Well, if it works, that's the main thing.
That's it. We will see. So I think that's about it. Oh, mind you, on the shock front, to get the top off, I don't know if this is the one that I've just done. Yes, it must be. It was so tight on that I ended up finding these two spanners.
Spanners to take a shock apart on an RC car. Now that's unusual.
I mean, you could have used pliers, but as it's anodised aluminium, I didn't want to
scratch
bug
it
them
up, no.
or try and do it with some cloth or something. So I've got them. So
whatever works, mate. Whatever works.
So I think with that, I hope you've enjoyed this. Me and Mark have.
Yeah.
And we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Oops, I think we've had a camera
malfunction.
Pull the power cable out, mate.
It's all good, Doc. Well, on that note, it's time to say goodbye.
Yes, thanks for watching, guys.
See you guys.